Whoops. Down you go. Oops. Down you go. Here. Let's try again. I'm playing with those tags. Good tag. Good job. That's wonderful. You're sitting. Someone's at the door. Should we go see who it is? Look at you. You're a sitting boy. Toppled over there. Kaboom! Good job! Good job, baby! You love your tags. I know. It's the best part of the whole playmat, don't you think? It's the best part of the whole playmat. Yeah! Should we do it again? Up, 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 up. Where's your tags? Get yourself set. Wait, sorry. Is that no good? You want the tags in front of you? There you go. You love your tags. Good job. Oh, they're so amazing. They're such cool tags. Oh my gosh. Kaboom. Yay, Decker. Good job. That is very, very good. Hey, you got your foot on the basket. That's cute. You're a mover. A mover and a shaker. Hi. Hi. Who's a baby boy? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Hi. Hello, sweet baby. Are you trying to touch stuff that you shouldn't touch? Oh, I'm sorry. What's making you so mad? Should we find you a little tiny book? Where's one of your little tiny books? Here, do you want this one? Oh, I'm trying to open it for you. There you go. Do you want that little tiny book? Good job. Very good, Decker. Do you see that book? Is that your book? Good job. Oh. I think your finger's stuck. Okay, now you can eat it. Good job. Good thinking. That's very clever. Good thinking. Yeah, you can chew that corner. Good job. Good job. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Good job. Good job. You want to open it again? Here, let's look at a different page. Now you can look at brown and purple. Good, you're holding that very well. Ah, paw down. Good job. Yeah, brown and purple. Yeah. 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 I think you have other little teeny books in here. Do you want this one? Yellow and gray. There you go. This is a teeny tiny little book. You need your other hand. Here. You need your other hand. There you go. There you go. Gray and yellow. Good job. Hi, Boo. What if we were to do sitting and a book? Would you like to try that? Here's your sitting. Oh, you want your tags or do you want this? Do you want your book? Do you want this book? And sitting? Oh my goodness, that would just be crazy. You got your balance? I'm gonna let go. Whoop! Whoop! There you go. You're doing it. Yay, Tucker. Gray and yellow. Should we see if there's any other colors? Look. Whoop, careful. Here, there we go. Put that behind you. Green and blue. Do you like that book? Yes, that's very good. What a sitter. Brown and purple. Very good, Mr. Drooly Boy. Oh, now it's closed. Do you like it? Yeah. Here, do you want something different? Maybe this little sunshine thing? Here. Yeah, there you go. You're doing great. Kaboom! Kaboom! Kaboom, baby. You're kind of stuck there, huh?